My name is Sakina Murtaza Mandasarwala. I have enjoyed painting as a child. It is my passion from the beginning. As I came to know about Suryam Child Art Exhibition, I decided to grab the opportunity that was given to me. I decided to showcase few of my paintings here. Thank you so much for this experience.
I am Rohina Samir Adhikari. I am in second. I am 7 years old. Hi friends, I like to thank all of you for your wonderful drawings. They're really inspiring to me. The drawings are wonderful, all of them. I like the cherry one. I like the other one which is having an earth and there was an umbrella on it. I like that one. I like the one which is having elephant on it. I like them, all of them.
Jemit Janani. First of all, I would like to thank Maushmi ma'am for giving me such a platform where I could display my creativity.
I am a father of Jemit Janani. अगर उसमें टैलेंट है तो सामने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए जो उसको आगे तक लेके जाए, तो वो हमने सर्च की और वो सर्च करके यहाँ मौसमी मैम के पास सूर्यम चाइल्ड उसमें जाके ये ख़त्म हुआ कि नहीं, यहाँ से उसको वो प्लेटफॉर्म मिल सकता है। आज यहाँ पे उसकी 2 पेंटिंग्स लगी। इट्स ए प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर मी। एक दिन बड़ा आएगा जब उसकी परफेक्ट बड़ी पिक्चर लगेगी और उसका बड़ा एग्जीबिशन होगा। एंड दैट माई विश फॉर एवरी किड्स जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया इस एग्जीबिशन में। जो बच्चों ने क्रिएटिविटी दिखाई है, कंपोजिशन दिखाया है, जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन दिखाया है, दैट इज़ आई एम अमेज कि भाई जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन एक पिक्चर में देखा था तारे ज़मीन के ऊपर, वो लेवल का मुझे ड्राइंग यहाँ पे बच्चों में दिखाई दिया। तो ऑब्वियसली दैट ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू मैम।
My name is Ananya Kashyap. I love to draw, do painting, and I'm an artist. Thank you for displaying my work.
I'm Pallavi here. My daughter Ananya Kashyap, she is 8 years old. From the beginning, when she was at 3 years old, she had interest in art, and I noticed that she used to love drawing and painting. So that's the time I inclined and encouraged her to be an artist. So this is the second time Ananya is participating in Suryam Art Exhibition, and it has beautiful work of all the children. I really appreciate it. And it really encourages the children to platform their art, and they get encouraged to even make better painting and go on a bigger platform. Ananya loves making canvas painting, she loves drawing, painting, and she likes to experiment with different forms of art. So I like to thank Suryam Art Exhibition for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
My name is Jyoti, so why compete? Just showcase what you know and what you want, what you like to do. So I think this is the best aspect of Suryam Art Exhibition, and I'm very thankful to the organizers for giving her and in our language, Tamil, in one word I can just say, this is Pramadam.
चित्राणि तु अतीव सुन्दराणि सन्ति एव, किन्तु तस्यापेक्षया ये बालकाः चित्राणि कृतवन्तः ते बहु सुन्दराः इति अहं मन्ये।
My name is Vidip Mehta. So I am in 7th standard and I am participating in the Suryam Art Exhibition from last 2 years. So previous year my only one drawing was selected, and now more than one are selected. So I just want to say that this exhibition tells us that how much we have improved. So that's all. Thank you.
I am Charvik Suresh Tek. I use sketch pen and crayons. Thank you.
प्लीज़, मैं चार्विक की दादी हूँ। चार्विक का फादर ऑफ हुआ अभी जस्ट 6 मंथ हुआ, कोविड से ऑफ हुए वो। मैं सब चीज़ में स्मार्ट है। उसका डैडी का सपना है कि वो अच्छा से हर चीज़ मोटिवेट करे, अच्छा से ये करे। उसको और करने का उसका चॉइस था, लेकिन वो नहीं रहा। उसके लिए हम लोग उसको सपोर्ट करके आगे लेके आए। चार्विक का मेरे साथ बहुत अटैचमेंट है, क्योंकि वो लोग ऑफिस जाते थे, उसको मेरे पास ही छोड़ के जाते थे, दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ, इसीलिए उसका ज़्यादा अटैचमेंट मेरे साथ ही है ज़्यादा।
Like 2 years back, I just had like came with my husband, and he also enjoyed a lot. But this time he was like he's not there. But this time like I just bought him Charvik because it is like this exhibition is one of the motivation point to all the children.
My name is Bhakti Davda. I am 12 years old. I like the drawing of Viara Pencheva. She has done 2 zebras. I like the composition, the color, and the figure looks very realistic. First I couldn't complete my drawing in time, but now it has improved very much and I can complete my artwork in time. Thank you.
I really thank you Nehal Janani to my friend. तो इसके वजह से मेरे को इसने व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप पे डाला था और इसके थ्रू मेरे को ये फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय लाइफ एंड माय चाइल्ड हैज़ गिवन अ एग्जीबिशन. थैंक यू रियली.
I'm Aparna Adhikari. I'm mother of Ruhina Adhikari. She is very interested in drawings and this school has given us a very good platform that whatever drawing she is drawing at home, that I could exhibit it and everyone could view her drawings and she could express her views about others' drawings. Thank you.
I would like to thank Suryam Art Exhibition to give such a nice platform to my child. I'm really glad to see this, like all the paintings around, and it's amazing. Thank you so much.
અને હી ઇઝ વેરી ગુડ ઇન ડ્રોઈંગ. થેન્ક્સ ટુ મોસમી મિસ. અને હું ઈચ્છું કે વધારે ને વધારે બાળકો એમની સાથે જોડે, એમની સાથે જોડાય અને આવા સરસ એક્ઝિબિશનમાં, આવા સરસ પ્રસંગમાં એમનું પાર્ટિસિપેટ રહે અને જીવનમાં આગળ વધે, જે રિયલી બહુ સારું ડ્રોઈંગ કરે છે. ડ્રોઈંગની દુનિયા બહુ જ મોટી છે અને એમાં એટલા બધા કલર્સ છે કે કોઈ પણ બાળક ક્યાંય પણ ઉડી શકે છે. થેન્ક યુ કહેવા માગું છું બધા બાળકો તરફથી, કેમ કે એનામાં એટલી બધી ક્રિએટિવિટી છે કે આવું કોઈ વિચારી જ ન શકે, આવું ક્યારેય કોઈએ જોયું જ નથી જે આજે થઈ રહ્યું છે અને આટલા વર્ષોથી થઈ રહ્યું છે. ધીસ ઇઝ આઈ થિંક સો 6th year. અને હું એમને કહીશ કે તમે આમ જ આગળ વધો, નવું નવું કરો.
My name is Dharmi Rambiya. I am from Standard 5th. Thank you Moshmi ma'am for organizing this and giving me a platform that where I can show my talent, and I really liked all the drawings here.
मैं भक्ति की पेरेंट हूँ, डॉली नाम है मेरा. मैं यहाँ पे करीबन 7-8 साल से मौसमी मिस के साथ में हूँ. वो एवरी ईयर 2 प्रोग्राम करते हैं. एक उनका जो क्लास है मीमांसा आर्ट स्टूडियो, वहाँ पे भी वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी देते हैं चांस. और ये सूर्यम आर्ट एग्जीबिशन के थ्रू उनके क्लास पूरे इंडिया और आउट ऑफ इंडिया फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में भी सब लोग को चांस मिलता है कि उनका पेंटिंग एग्जिबिट करने के लिए हम लोग को ये प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू पता चलता है हम लोग के इंडिया में क्या चल रहा है। हम लोग को इंडिया के अलावा फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में भी लोग कैसे कलर्स, कैसे ड्राइंग्स, उनका थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या है वो हम लोग को समझ में आता है। तो इसके लिए मैं मौसमी मिस को दिल से थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ कि बच्चे लोग को बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है और बच्चे लोग बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं एक दूसरे का देख।
ये तो पेरेंट्स ऐसे ना कि वो कभी ऐसे फील नहीं करते कि जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी हो वो सिर्फ हमारे बच्चों के लिए हो। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आप बहुत रिजर्व ना रहे कि सिर्फ अपने बच्चों के लिए ना सोचते हुए आप दूसरों के लिए भी सोचते हो। ये भी मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी टास्क है। तो बोथ ऑफ देम डिजर्व अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज और थैंक यू सो मच।